One press of the Enter key, that's all it took to trigger one of the most famous database disasters in tech history. In 2017, engineers at GitLab were troubleshooting a problem with one of their production databases. Everything seemed routine. They were simply trying to fix an issue affecting users. During the repair process, an engineer accidentally executed the wrong command. Instead of repairing the database, critical production data was deleted. Within seconds, users began noticing that parts of GitLab were no longer working. Normally, this wouldn't be a catastrophe. Every serious company keeps backups, right? Except this time, the backup system had its own problems. Some backups were outdated, others were incomplete, and several couldn't be restored at all. Suddenly, the team wasn't just fixing a mistake. They were fighting to recover years of valuable customer data. Engineers worked for hours trying to restore the database. In an unusual move, GitLab streamed much of the recovery process live. Thousands of people watched as the team raced against time. Fortunately, most of the data was recovered, but some recent changes were permanently lost. The incident quickly became one of the most talked about outages in the software industry. The biggest lesson wasn't about one wrong command. It was this: a backup is only a backup if you've actually tested that it can be restored.